Hey class, I'd like to talk to you briefly about our course projects that are coming up this semester. And this again is for Basic Pharmacology, HS-065. So this semester there'll be three projects, a total of three projects for you to do. And you will find complete information if you look in the projects module. That's located at the very bottom of your modules. If you scroll through the weeks, and at the very bottom you'll see a place that says projects module, and there you'll see complete information on all three of the projects that we're doing this semester. So project one is called a medication error project, and it is due at the end of week 3, and the project is worth 25 points. What you're going to do from this project is really look a little more closer at what individuals and companies, hospitals, what they're doing to keep patients safe when it comes to medication administration. There are a lot of different things to choose from for this project, so I would encourage you, it's due end of week 3, so I'd encourage you to take a look at that and get started on that so that you complete it on time. Next we have project 2, and that's a commercial critique group project. And that is due at the end of week 9, and that project is worth 50 points. There are some pre-check-in parts of this project, so take a look at those as the time progresses. What I'll do is next week I'll start putting some groups together. When the groups are together, you will see that you have a groups icon on the left on your navigation menu bar on the left-hand side of your classroom. That discussion for groups is only for your group. It's created especially for you. You can exchange papers and PowerPoints, whatever you want to do, and of course discussions. So use that forum to touch base with each other. I would encourage you to start touching base as soon as those groups go together, get to know each other, and figure out what you want to do for this project. I do understand that group projects can be difficult, that they can be stressful, but I sincerely believe as healthcare workers that we really need to learn to work together. That's a great skill. So as nurses or whatever it is that you want to do with the healthcare field, it's a lot about teamwork. So I hope you enjoy it. You're going to be finding a commercial, and then you're going to be looking at that commercial a little closer and see how it was presented to the public and what you feel about that. You'll also be looking a little closer at that medication and how it works, and then making those decisions, making that critique of that drug commercial. And lastly is project 3. That's a patient education project, and that you will do by yourself. It's due at the end of week 14. For this project, you're going to create something that has to do with patient education. You'll choose a medication, and then you can make a brochure, a flyer, a YouTube video, a rap, a song, whatever you'd like to do to teach patients about a specific medication of your choice. Information for that will also be in the project's module there under project 3 that says patient education project. Well, that's it for the projects. As we get closer to these and as they move along, please let me know in the question and answer forum if you have any questions at all. And I will certainly try to open up some time in the conference room online also so that we can discuss these things if you have any questions or concerns. And I hope you enjoy them and enjoy the class.